what kind of range of products are you going to have? Like you said, laundry detergent. I mean, and they are, I assume, I hope, all going to be the products themselves, the fluids, the liquids will all be vetted to be as clean and green as you can find, not just the containers, but what you're filling.
I'm promoting more eco-organic, but the truth is I'm really addressing the global plastic waste crisis. That's the main objective. So I don't care if it's brand name non-eco. I just want people to use whatever they want to use and reduce the waste. That's my main objective. I think that for the suppliers, they're going to see the change will reduce their costs. Right now, some are fighting it because there is a high profit margin hidden in the packaging. They hate losing that. But it is feeling good just to pay for the product and quit wasting money on packaging.
We're losing our oceans, by the way.
We are losing, and
ocean acidification and other problems.
Yeah. Well, you look at the supply chain of savings when the manufacturer doesn't have to make as many containers. You're looking at all that and all the carbon that we spend, carbon emissions playing with the containers even after the fact through the waste industry. It's ridiculous. They will see mega million tons of carbon emissions reduced.
Do you see the packaging industry transforming itself, seeing what's coming, or are they just going to be out of business because the overpackaging is epic, it's awful, and it's not a new problem, but there's finally newer solutions, more solutions. So what are they doing to prepare for this, or do they have their heads in the sand like some of the oil companies?
This is lean disruption. I am going to disrupt supply chain. You can be rest assured on that one. They're not prepared. I do see once they see the showcase and what I'm actually doing, there will be a major, probably acquisitions coming in from many channels, whether it be the wholesaler, the waste industry, they'll realize exactly what I'm doing. So you're going to see the plastic manufacturers, wholesalers, waste, tech, even because they missed the opportunity for all this project of limitless technology upscale, as well as what products we're going to sell and who we're selling the systems to. We're going to start with big box retail, but then we're going to airports and hospitals and universities and automotive, you name it. Every industry has to reduce waste. We're in.